Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. Being financially independent is one of my goals in life. My purpose for creating this channel is to help educate others my journey to financial independence, and let me tell you, it takes lots of work. Now, I'm not quite there yet and not even close, but I am committed to making it there and doing whatever it takes to get there. I know there is going to be a lot of hard work, but I know I will get there. I created the ASH method, and I want to share with you how you can use the ASH method to achieve FIRE. Let's start with how I'm planning to achieve FIRE. The first step is about achieving a high saving on my income. I save about 70% of our income. We are very mindful of how we spend our money. We buy only things that we need, and we question everything that we want. We budget roughly $300 on groceries, so we eat a little less meat and more vegetables. With our entertainment, eating out, and living expenses, we allow our funds to roll over to the next month. This way, we can treat ourselves once in a while. I enjoy budgeting sometimes because it's a challenge to me. How much can I surprise myself that I don't need all this stuff? I like to say that I live a comfortable, minimalist life. In the ASH method, achieving a high saving on my income is accumulate. I have faith in myself that I can slowly grow my savings to what I need for financial independence. Now, for the big question, what is my financial independence number? It's $4.2 million. This number will ensure that I live the lifestyle that I want now, but it also ensures that if any of my investments go south, I will be able to cover myself for a safe amount of time. The next thing to do is to eliminate housing costs. I wrote an article about house hacking and how you can live for free by renting out a part of your space. I am currently doing it right now, where we specifically bought a suite basement so that others can live with us. There is some work involved. Personally, I love every second of it. The next thing I'm doing is investing in real estate and the stock market. My channel is all about sharing my experience and learning in investing and purchasing your first house. Have you seen what Christina and Amon have done on their channel?
Are financially independent and have retired early.
They too have invested their money into the real estate market to grow their money. Then they took that money out and invested that money into real estate. This is exactly the principle behind the ASH method, where S stands for save and H stands for house. There is no secret to financial success other than the hard work in putting the time and effort into learning to invest, buying and repairing the house, and adding a little patience. This strategy will get you further into FIRE. Side hustles is an important step to me in accumulating wealth. Working on little side jobs whenever I can will help me achieve FIRE sooner. I have made many videos about side hustles, including some of my recommendations here. The great thing about side hustle is that if you can turn it into passive income, then it's something you do once, and money will keep coming in even while you're sleeping. I've started a few side gigs myself, and I truly believe they add so much value to my life. That's because everything that I've learned from all these side gigs apply to my career as well. My next step is to budget. My philosophy in budgeting is to save whatever you can to invest it. At a 70% savings rate, it is a lot of money to invest. Follow me in this video on how I use Excel to keep track of my budgeting. This is so important because keeping track of where your money is going and planning out your future goals will be so helpful in Excel. This the unique thing about all of this is that anyone can do it. Even me, a father to a wonderful daughter. Just remember, I didn't do anything special. I had no help from the super rich. There was no inheritance given to me. Every dollar that I made was the blood and sweat of my hard working hands. I had to also strategically budget to stay out of debt. I had to invest my money into both the stock market and real estate. My money wasn't used for any fancy cars or a brand new boat. I'm using my money in a way to make more money. So you must be thinking now that I run a side company called Ash Management that manages over $3 million in properties. I travel the world with my wife every year and live in a 2,000 square feet house. I'm also 90% plus of the way there to becoming a millionaire. So now what? What am I going to do if I reach financial independence at $4.2 million? Well, I've always wanted a penthouse suite, one that oversees the skyline of the Rocky Mountains, a pool to relax in whenever I want to. The other thing I want is an acreage out in open country, room to build whatever I want, even a 6-car garage, 5,000 square feet house, a huge garden. While doing all this, I still want to travel every year with my wife and my daughter. Speaking of vacation, I would also love a vacation house out in paradise, possibly Hawaii or in Europe somewhere. By the end of all this, the journey ends with me giving back my knowledge and experience to you guys. YouTube has given me a great opportunity for this, but right now I'm still knees deep in the journey. I hope that I have inspired you guys to join me in my fire journey as well. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dad saving you money.